So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to rebook your AirAsia ticket online. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your AirAsia account. On there you can see app, purchases, check-in, FAQ, flight status, support, and promotions. Now if you want to rebook your AirAsia ticket, you will first need to open up your chatbot. So by going through here, you can see Bo as it's called. So you can see greetings, I'm Bo. How may I assist you today? You can just say I want a rebook or I want to rebook. And your Bo chatbot will assist you with that issue. Now, an important thing about using chatbots is you can see they can change the date and time of your flight. If your booking fare is categorized as low fare, its premium flex or flatbed at request time is more than 2 hours from its actual departure time, and you can choose to go ahead with that request. Now, make sure that you're familiar with fees and charges so it doesn't come to you as a surprise once you get a fee and you need to pay it after that, and you get some additional charge that you may not have known it was there. I suggest using it like that since it's going to give you the necessary information about your specific issue at hand. In this case, you want to rebook. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on AirAsia or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.